I just got back from trading for potions for more fights. But little did I know, somebody came here to kill me at my base and take my strongest title of the SMP. Yeah, it's nice to be the best player. And I couldn't walk around from this fight because he was one of the strongest. So I wanted to beat him to see if he was. Yo! Oh, you're lucky. You boxed yourself! Oh, well, thank God there's water right here. I don't have any ender pearls. I hate you! No, don't put me! I don't want any. No!
I can't wait.
Dude! Oh. Nice time to fight me, bro. Nice time to fight me, bro.
Oh my goodness. I did so much damage, man.
Bro, shut up! I'm still trying to know how to do that shit.
Whoa.
Oh, you're lucky. Yeah, I'm still practicing. Oh, in the first place, how did you know my base? Where did you get the quartz from?
Well,
I live far out, bro.
Well, yeah, and your base is kind of has a painting for a door.
I just started the freaking server, kind of, bro. Like, I'm still trying to find a place.
I guess.
I mean, isn't it obvious, actually? I don't have much stuff. I said that, too. Because I knew you were listening. Oh, I broke it. In it. No! Yo, this sucks! What?
Yeah?
What? You do have a mace!
Well, I did say that. I have a lot of maces, actually.
How are you faster, bro? Yo, I have... Yo, does this not have, like... Yeah, and I don't know why it doesn't want to work. Dude, what is going on?
I guess.
Wow. I guess, bro.
Oh, shoot. What the heck? Why not my shoes out?
What the heck are you? What technique is this? There. density maze? Like, what's going on here?
Of course I do.
Damn! Damn!
Oh my.
I don't care, bro. Yeah, it's onion, bro. Huh. Like what? I was starting to lose a bit, but I'm not the type of person to give up. Bro, hit that. I was trying to attack the iron golem. I ran out of fireworks. Why did I open it?
What up? Oh, bless. No.
Oh, yes. What? I'm just kidding. I knew how to spear mace.
Hold on, close the door. Yes.
I'm killing you.
What?
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
Killed you right there.
Dude, just stop. Why do you want to kill me? Okay, dude,
Let's go.
in the first place, why are you just trying to kill me, bro?
Well, because you're ranked the strongest or titled the strongest on the server, so I kind of just want to kill you now.
Dude, you wasted all my resources just to freaking try to kill me, bro.
Well, yeah, I mean, from the way the battle's been going, I think it's pretty clear that I'm better than you, so I think might as well just kill you, bro.
Bro, you just want to go for me because I'm the strongest and you want the title.
Yeah, I do. So,
You know how stupid that sounds? Like,
no, man.
Like, bro.
That's not stupid at all.
you know what? Yeah, just take the title, bro. Just take the title. You wasted most of my resources and now I need to get more resources.
Ah, really? Would you say that what you just said for me again?
You suck. Fine, you can just have it. You can have it, dude. I don't even care. I don't even care. Dude.
All right.
Like, it's so useless. Like, I'm just the strongest, bro. I'm gonna kill you one day. I'm gonna make it official.
No,
you
you
will
won't.
not be the strongest one day, dude. And I will bet that. I'll bet that.
Well, let's see how
You
far
might
we
have
get.
wasted all of my totems and all my other resources, but that doesn't mean anything. I will still
Yeah,
kill
man.
you, bro. I will kill you.
I did pop a lot of people already. Pop like barely.
I'm still training, bro, and I can't even stun swarm, bro.
Really?
Dude, you get it. You get it. You're the strongest for now, bro. When we meet again, bro, I'm just gonna kill you, bro.
Yep. I knew I didn't get more totems. I mean, I already have a lot of totems anyway. But... Oh. Forward to the day that fuck you again.
I guess, bro.
Oh. Alright. I'll see you then, man.
See you then, bro. Don't call me your man. And just like that, I have lost the strongest title of the SMP and lost all my resources from this fight. This is my rival that'll make sure to get my title back of the strongest of the server.